Hello and welcome again to Najah Isa EdTech Insights. In the past video, we've talked about how to create a slide deck, and I promised you to go over create teaching resources. So let's check this today. How to narrow down your teaching resources and how to check everything you need in just one prompt. This is where many teachers get stuck. Too many resources can be overwhelming. So here's a list, or here's the simple method to do that. Let's say I'm talking about, last time we've been talking about the types of triangles, if you still remember with me. So I'm going to type types of triangles here. This is the only title I'm going to write. And let's check. Do I need articles? I don't need articles for the types of triangles. I need slide decks, I need videos, I need worksheets. And I go click find teaching resources. And I'll wait to see what will EdCafe do. So now you can see that EdCafe started to narrow down to list all the resources you might use. For each resource, I advise you ask, does this help achieve my lesson goal? Keep only the ones that clearly support your objective, and just delete the ones that you don't want. Let's check them out and see um, if that really works. So I'll go over the first PDF. Um, it shows here the types of triangles. It shows me a scan here. I think this code is for a worksheet, for this worksheet. So write down the type of triangles. You can see what triangle is that, and then we have to draw, and then we have to apply some of proving. Let's say we have here the types of triangles, true or false. Can we make triangle out of these sticks? Explain why, and then more exercises. This seems helpful. Let's go over the next one, classifying triangles. Okay, so this is another one for classifying triangles according to sides and angles, and then draw. And this is the answer key. I like that. Okay, next is another PDF. Let's check this out. I think my internet is jammed here. I'll try to narrow down these pages. Okay, so this is another worksheet. It's a, it's a scan from a book, I think. Okay, so if you don't want this one, you can just delete and off it goes. So here are the PDF documents, the worksheets. I'm sorry. Let's go to the videos. You can see several videos about types of triangles. You can choose the one which suits your lesson objective. And these are the presentations that are ready-made about types of triangles. Let's check it out. Okay, it's being downloaded over here. Now that's it. This is the presentation that we made with EdCafe. Now let's check. Okay, it has a high sound. Let's check next. So classifying triangles, equilateral, three congruent sides. This is nice. Okay, so you can see that it's really helpful, and these are some exercises with the solution, the interior and the exterior angles. The measure of angles is 180, and then this is the triangle sum theory, exterior angle. This is nice. Okay, I'll just exit that and I'll go back to my screen. So as you can see, with 1 minute, even less, you've created 5 slide decks, 5 videos, 4 worksheets, which you can use as a resource for your lesson. If you want to add a category, you can add the articles back again. But in this um, part of the lesson, I don't want articles. Maybe if I'm teaching social studies, English, or any other topic, I might be needing articles. And that's it. Creating a slide deck and narrowing down teaching resources doesn't have to be stressful. Use this method, use this tool to save time and to make your lessons more effective. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more EdTech tips. And I'm going to see you in the next tutorial.